Put your hands up.
A 3D printed is an additive process where it adds layer by layer, plastic in our case, until you end up with your final object. So the 3D printer is being used by the middle school and high school computer science classes at Island School. And the thought is that 3D printers are becoming more and more common. They're at the price point now where you can actually get them in the home for relatively inexpensive. There's some less than $1,000. And the thought is that manufacturing is going to go to 3D printing for product design and testing. So if these students can start doing product design, product development in schools and actually end up with the product instead of just kind of coming up with the idea and never ever getting the product, now we can actually have them develop the product and then we can hit print and in a few hours have the design for them to see and be like, okay, that didn't work. I need to change this, I need to modify it. And then, you know, eventually if we ever got to that point, go to a real manufacturing process of a mold or something created off of these original prints. So far in the classes, the students, before break, we did some holiday decorations. So some students created a Christmas tree in two parts. So they had the top Christmas tree part and the bottom stem and made a hole in the bottom so they can insert the stem and make it stand. Some ornaments, some students made igloos. Hopefully in the future, they'll want to design their own product. Our next thing will actually be interviewing, the students will interview other students on what's a product they would like, and the students will then have to design and create that product. So the idea is just getting the kids to realize what's possible with these 3D printers, and also seeing these sites like Thingiverse where they can go and it's like, this part for my iPod broke, or I need an iPod holder. And none of the ones I can buy at the store really work. Go to the Thingiverse and like, oh, there's one that's pretty close. Download it, modify it, change it, print it, and they have their customized 3D thing done at home, or in this case at school. But just realizing what's the potential for these devices are.